This is a well-known animal. This is a lesser-known animal. This is an even lesser-known animal. And this is a very lesser-known animal. Hi, and welcome to Life Noggin. Today we're going to be answering the question, why does the Arctic fox change color? So, Arctic foxes live in the Arctic Circle, where there are only two seasons, summer and winter. During the winter, their thick white fur helps them to camouflage with the snow and blend into their white fur also helps them to reflect the sun's rays and stay cool during the summer. Their lighter fur is also helpful during mating season, as it makes the males stand out and more visible to potential partners. However, if they live in an area with lots of rocks and little snow, they will have darker fur. Darker fur helps them camouflage with the dark rocks and blend into their. If they were white, they would stick out like a sore thumb and become easy prey for predators such as wolves and bears. However, there is another reason why Arctic foxes change color. You see, the Arctic fox's fur changes color due to a process called industrial melanism is a form of adaptation that allows animals to change the color of their skin or fur in response to pollution in their environment. Pollution causes the animal's skin or fur to darken, which helps them to camouflage with the dark, soot-covered trees and other objects in their environment. For example, peppered moths are famous for their adaptation to industrial melanism. Before the Industrial Revolution, most peppered moths were light-colored and well-camouflaged against the light bark of trees. However, during the Industrial Revolution, the trees became darkened by soot and smoke, and the light-colored moths became easy prey for predators. As a result, darker moths became more common because they were better camouflaged against the dark trees. This process of natural selection resulted in the peppered moth population becoming predominantly dark-colored. Prior to the 19th century, the majority of Arctic foxes were white. But in the 20th century, when humans began polluting the Arctic environment, the Arctic fox's fur started to darken. The darkening of their fur is an adaptation that helps them to camouflage with the dark rocks and other objects in their environment that have been covered in soot. This is why you are more likely to see a dark Arctic fox if it lives in an area with lots of rocks and little snow, such as the rocky cliffs and mountains of northern Canada and Alaska. In addition to pollution, there may be other factors contributing to the changing fur color of the Arctic fox. One of these factors could be the global climate crisis, which is causing the temperature in the Arctic region to rise at a rate faster than the rest of the planet. This increase in temperature may be causing the Arctic foxes to produce more melanin, which is the pigment that gives skin and fur its color, in order to protect themselves from the sun's harmful UV rays. More melanin also means darker fur. In conclusion, Arctic foxes change color in order to camouflage with their. They also change color due to industrial melanism, which is a response to pollution in their environment, and the global climate crisis may also be playing a role in the changing fur color of the Arctic fox. So the next time you're watching a nature documentary and you see an Arctic fox, take a close look at its fur. Is it light or dark? Does it have a reddish tinge? Let us know in the comments section below. As always, it's me. This has been Life Noggin. Don't forget to keep on thinking.